this. Look at this.
Waiter! Akwai tuwo!
Damn, man.
The latest happening
Shit. This one kind of place. Look at him.
Babe, just calm down. This is the latest place around.
Ask him what tour?
Do you know any place apart from this?
I don't know, man. I just jumped from the airport.
Then just relax and calm down.
Whoa.
Akwai tuwo!
Shit.
Akwai tuwo ne kuka ne?
Is that not my clothes?
I was wondering too, what's it doing with your clothes?
That's the laundry I told I gave my clothes to.
Can you imagine?
This is 3 days now. Come listen.
Hey.
Why you?
Emeka!
So this is where you are. I've been looking for this 3 days now. Yeah?
Me? Are you talking to me?
Look at this stupid boy.
Huh?
What are you doing with his clothes?
Excuse me, guys. Can somebody explain to me what's happening here?
This guy is a laundryman. I gave my clothes to 3 days now.
Is he the person?
Emeka, pull out this clothes. Pull it. Pull out my clothes. Me, he wants to borrow my clothes. Now I'm a celebrity. Pull out my clothes.
So all this while you've been lying to me. Hey, and you're not even complete. You're a good self.
Pull out my clothes. Pull out my clothes. Babe,